G'day traders, this is Ron from Optimized Effects. Here I have Edgefinder AI. This is a new website that I've just been building for the past 3 or 4 months, and it is finally live. I thought I'd do a video to share all with everyone and show you what I've done. So it's pretty cool, and I think you'll all like it. So you can reach it right now at aiedgefinder.com. And what is it? Well, you can transform your trading decisions with AI-powered analysis, get instant insights on whether to execute, wait, or avoid your trades. It basically allows you to upload a chart, put in your account balance, and get an instant signal. Now, this is all for educational purposes only, and I do not want to share any financial advice. I'm not licensed to do so. So just keep that in mind. Now, for the launch of this, I've decided to do a free tier. And free tier, you get 5 free analyses. And that's free. It's still beta. It is not, it's still being worked on. I'm still actively developing. There's going to be some cool new stuff coming out soon. But this is the website right now. Start a free trial, doesn't cost you anything. It is powered by advanced AI technology and some machine learning and some other stuff I can't really say, but here we have what the landing page kind of looks like. You can sign up to it if you want to support me. It's $29 a month. You get 100 chart analysis tokens per month. They do not expire. Or if you want to do expert, it's 500 tokens per month. These may change. I think $29 a month is way too cheap, and $79 for 500 is way too cheap right now. So these prices may change in the future. I've seen similar things like this go for $300 to $400 a month. But there you have it. So there is a little bit of a frequently asked questions here. What I get asked. You can sign up for a newsletter, and there is a terms and service and privacy policy that you need to agree to in order to use this platform. Alright, with all that said and done, let's go to the dashboard and we'll have a look and see what it's all about. Rightio, so this is the dashboard. It is still under construction. This is just something that I've built, and I haven't even finished it yet. It's still going. So, what are we looking at? We're looking at swing trading ideas, and we're looking at scalp trading ideas. You can go to the dashboard, find scalp, find swing, go to your findings, which is something that it loads up previous analyses. This may change. This might be turned into a trade journal, and I'll remove my findings from here because this should be a paid feature of the app. But right now it's going through and it's showing you all the analyses that it's done. These have not been filled out yet. Like, I haven't finished this. It's still under construction, and that's why I'm offering free, and that's why the price is cheap. But what I'd like to share is how the trades have gone, and I think you'll find something pretty cool about this. So the idea is that let's have a look at this one that I did today. So it fetches the analysis and it gives you all of these recommendations and things that you can look out for before you even take a trade. And it can do a signal. If you want to follow the signal, you can. You don't have to. It's just a recommendation. It's just for education. So I said, hey, this is a trade I want to look at. XAU USD, which is gold. It's saying enter a buy at market. Here's the stop loss. Here's the take profit. And this was for, I believe, a scalp trade. And it gives you a score out of 100 as to all of these things, or the edge analysis, which I've trademarked. These are all the analysis points, and the weighted average of this is come out to 82.07 out of 100. And it's saying this is looking pretty good for a buy. So suggested actions, enter a buy at market, and you can put in your account balance, and it says risk no more than 2% of balance, which I put in 2%, which is approximately 3.72 lots. And the rationale is this is why, this is why it's giving you this information, and this is a little bit of information on what's happening with gold at the moment. So you can use this as educational purpose to either take this trade or be like, if you don't agree with it, that's fine. But this is what this system is telling me to do. So it's pretty cool. And in the future, I'll have auto signals and the trade journal where you can add this trade to the trade journal and say if you've taken it, and then we can start logging the outcomes of everything. Now, the even cooler thing about this is that I've already done this, and I've already fully automated this via an EA in MT5. So you can put the EA on the chart, it pings an API endpoint that I've created that's similar to this, and it places trades, and in the future it's going to also manage the trades, which is even cooler. And that system is running right now. It is still under heavy development, and these results have been quite exceptional, I believe, for something that I've only been working on for like a week on that side of things. I'm really excited to share that with you. So in the future, that system will then show on a dashboard on here, and you can see how the EA is trading on MetaTrader 5. I think that's really cool. Now, all of this is subject to change. I'm also open to any feedback, any suggestions, anything that you believe may help you in your analysis for this system. This is not just adding a chart to ChatGPT and getting signals from that. This is way more than that. There is way more going on in the back end that I can't really explain, because it's not just uploading a chart to GPT and getting a response. This is way more. There's way more effort that's gone into that. For this whole dashboard, it's taken me 4 to 5 months to do this. I came up with the idea, and I've been slowly chipping away at building this platform. So I'm really excited to share that with you all. I know it's been a while since I've shared a video on the platform, and that's because I've decided to step away from actively trading and focus on trading, or actively trading my live accounts, and just focus on building things for people to use. This is one of those things. Another thing that I'm working on is the EA that I've been building, which is Currency Engine EA. It's a multi-currency EA built in MetaTrader 4, and I'm not far off being able to release that as well. I've been trading it on a live account. I've had really good results, and I'll be sharing that as well soon. But this is awesome. So this is going to totally change how I trade in the future, and it's been an awesome platform. These trades that it's taken, and I'll show you on gold. I'll show you a trade that it took, the signal, which was, I think it was this one, 4015. So this trade right here, I just want to share this trade right here, 4015, stop loss at 3982, take profit at 4049. This is an analysis that I did on Sunday at 10:30 p.m. at night for Monday open, and I'm like, cool, I'm just going to log this trade. That trade went straight into profit. This is that one right here. This is that 4015. Oh, I've got a few other things going on here, but this is that trade, and bingo, look at that, straight into profit, stop loss, take profit, bingo. There is another long trade that it's taken based on a signal that I just generated. I don't agree with the take profit and the stop loss, but it is currently in profit, $109, and I did this not long ago. That is using, oops, that is this one here, this swing buy. So that's that trade right there. Now, the signals I'm still working on. They are still not where I want them to be. They need to be a bit more accurate, and we need to be able to log them so I can determine a profit loss, a risk to reward ratios, stuff like that, and that will be coming out very soon. This is a lot of things for me to do in the back end, and yeah, I thought I'd share that with you all. So this is Edgefinder AI Edgefinder, or Edgefinder AI. I wasn't able to get the domain I wanted, but it is now live. You can sign up for free. You get 5 free analysis. Go for it, test it, let me know your thoughts. You can give me feedback. There's a feedback form, a whole feature that I created so you can share feedback if you find bugs. You can upload screenshots, all that kind of stuff, and I'll go to the admin dashboard and I'll have a look at it and I'll reply to you and let you know what I found and what I can do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Auto signals aren't a thing. I'm basically an admin so I can see it, but this is kind of what it will look like. This is something that will be coming out when I figure out how to get it to work. There's a lot of information that I need to digest in the API in order to do stuff like this, but that's for later. This is what you will get on Pro and Expert tier. Auto signals. This is something that will happen every single day. It'll run at probably 8 a.m. in the morning, and it will give you some signals, only the best ones it will choose, and then you can decide to take them or not. I don't know. The trade journal is I need to subscribe. The trade journal is obviously being built as well. So that's it. That's just a quick video about Edgefinder AI. I hope you all have a look at it, sign up to it, and yeah, give me some feedback. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Bye bye.